Good morning. It's February the 9th, 2015, and on yesterday, Sunday, a 4.9 magnitude earthquake shook Baja, California. An earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 4.9 shook Baja, California Sunday afternoon. The quake hit about 5:45 p.m. Pacific time, about 559 miles northwest of San Felipe, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. That's what they said. There were no immediate reports of damage or injuries. So that is the latest on the earthquakes in California. Posting this vid, leave some comments, and subscribe.